Hello guys, it's Hypno here, and today we have another unboxing. Today is power bank from TOZO. As you can see, it's 20,000 milliampere per hour. Quick charge 3Z.0. Okay. And 18 watts delivery, I guess. Okay, so let's do it. Let's see what's inside. Yep, I think I break my toothpick. Never mind. Right. Open sesame. Okay, so it's powering back itself. There is the cable, nothing else. So the USB-C cable to charging the power bank. Powering bank itself. One-year warranty card and the manual. Okay, don't know who needs the manual, just plug in the cable and that's it. Right, so that's the device itself. Looks promising, one of the best I ever seen or I ever had. Okay. So yeah, that's what was inside. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day.